Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. Today we'll be making ice cream nachos. I know they sound weird, but they taste amazing and they're very simple. So let's get started. So what you'll need for this recipe is 3 types of ice cream, or you can just get 2. I have extreme moose tracks. I have rainbow sherbet, and I have cookies and cream, but please get any flavor that you like. Sauces and whipped cream. I have chocolate sauce. I have caramel sauce. I also have waffle bowls, but you can also get waffle cones. We're going to break them up anyways. And I also have sprinkles. So to start, we're going to take our waffle bowls or waffle cones, and then we're going to break them apart into quarters, or the best that you can. I'm going to lay some down at the bottom of the bowl. You can get a very large bowl, but I'm going to use a shallow bowl. Shallow and wide. Try to layer them as best as you can so the ice cream will lay on top, kind of like nachos. And we're going to take a couple other ones. We're just going to kind of break them apart so you can use this as separate chips when scooping out ice cream. So now that we have our chips laid down, we're going to then take our cheese, if you will. We're going to take our ice cream, and we're going to start with whatever one you want. I let these sit out for around 20 to 25 minutes so they loosened up a little bit. I'm going to take a nice size, and then I'm going to plop it on into the chips, just like that. Now I do recommend doing at least 2 scoops of each ice cream that you want to use. Or if you're only using 2, then I recommend doing 3 of each. We're going to take our lovely drizzles and whatnot. The messier the ice cream looks, I feel like that is the better. And then we're going to take our chocolate sauce. Do a nice good drizzle. And then we're going to take our caramel sauce, and we're going to drizzle the other one. Once again, this is optional, and you get different sauces depending on what you like. There we go. And then we're going to take some whipped cream. Wonderful, lovely. Be generous. And there we go. I present to you the most unhealthiest dessert you will ever see. Ice cream nachos. I do recommend that you make these. These are good for parties, or if you just feel like having a treat with your family. Thank you guys for joining me on this episode. Bye guys!